Hey guys, in this video we will quickly look at how to enable Entra Agent Identity in Copilot Studio. This is done basically in the Power Platform Admin Center, and as you can see it's freezing in Oslo, so I have time to create videos, and let's just jump into this. So first things first, you need this role. This is Power Platform Admin or Tenant Admin or Environment Admin. Why do you need this role? Because this is needed to change this setting in the admin center. And also, this is done on an environment level. So if you're environment admin and you need it for your production environment or developer environment, you do it there. And what is an agent ID? You will see how they live in Entra ID later, but they are basically non-human identities that soon probably can be licensed. I don't know if the licenses have dropped, but it represents your bot, and it also scopes the access to the agent, not user scoped. So you can check how this agent has been used, and you can have kind of better security and governance when you have agent IDs that will be running not only on the user level. So we have to sign into PPAC. Let's jump there, and then we have to navigate to the Copilot section. So we are home in the Power Platform Admin Center. We just do this, and from here we just navigate to Copilot. And once we navigate to Copilot, you have all this stuff here. What's new? Settings is where you go, and here there's a lot of cool stuff for Copilot Studio. And Entra Agent Identity is the one we'll be looking at. So for this environment, I have it turned on, and you will see how this looks in Entra ID. Now let's take this Copilot Studio. It's just a basic developer environment, and I want to turn it on here. So what I need to do is just turn it on, and basically that's it. So from now on, all the new agents that will be created will have an agent identity in Entra. And you will be thinking, what do I use this agent identity for? Let me show you quickly. In here, you can see that we have the agent registry. Let's start with overview. So this is in Entra, my admin center. So you will see all types of agents, agents with no identities, and you will also be able to see the collections of agents. And once you turn on agents identity in your tenant or your environment, a blueprint is created. So you can see here, a blueprint is created for Copilot Studio. So and you see here Copilot Studio identities, and there are 9 agents that are using this blueprint. What a blueprint is, that's for another video. But you can see here the number of agents created, not agents, but agent identities created, and you can see agents with no identities. These are the agents that I created before turning it on for my case here in the default environment. And you can see all agent identities here. This is a list of all of them, and the registry is where I can see if it has agent ID or not. And to show you this quickly, let me just open one of those agents. Let's see, procure path. This is in Contoso, and it was created before I turned on the setting. So there is no agent ID, but the hiring agent here has an agent Entra agent ID because I created it after turning this on. So it's important to know that the agents that were created before, based on this case, will not have it on. So that's how you enable it in Power Platform Admin Center. And if you need to go back, you just have to go back and clear the save, or just take it off, as we did here. Just put it off and you're done. Save changes. So that's it for this video. It's quite simple, but agent ID, if you want Entra agent ID, just do this for the environments. I don't know yet if there is a setting for environment groups, but for now this works, and the agent ID will be registered in Entra. Thank you guys for this short video.